Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the dipstick guide funnel on this VW Touran. So the reason why we're going to change it is that the actual tubing, the funnel snapped, as you can see. So it snapped from the base. Okay, so we got the replacement part here. We got this from our local auto part shop for under £10, and the part number is 330 44209. So that's what we're gonna replace today. As you can see, the old one is in a bad condition, so all the dust and debris going inside the engine, and also is running a bit rough because there's a vacuum leak from this area here. So the way we're gonna pull the old broken stem out is just gonna put your hand here, just gonna put our hand here and pull it. Right, here we go. The one of the piece just snapped. Okay, so what we can do here is it's in a bit of a state. Need to make sure that we don't break any piece which goes inside the engine oil sump. Right, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna use the pick tool to break off the surround. So what you can do is you can cover this metal tubing with like a rag or a tissue paper, so that none of the broken plastic piece goes inside the oil sump. In my case, I was very careful and I haven't dropped any plastic piece inside there. So here comes the replacement part. Okay, just gonna take the label off. So the way it goes in is like this. Okay, so that's the way it goes in. So right, so now that I've placed the funnel onto the pipe, so just gonna push it down like this. Just gonna tap it there. That's the oil dipstick guide funnel, fully in place, fully home. Just gonna show you from this angle. Right, so what we're gonna do now is just gonna pull the dipstick out from the old broken funnel. Then I remove this rubber from here, and going to slide it over to onto the new one. Okay, so there we go, friends. Job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.